Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to be making something simple, easy, pickles. I wanted to make some pickles. There are the recipes on my website. I wanted to make the pickles because I was missing something on my burgers, and that's actually how it came about. I had some cucumbers in the refrigerator, and I was like, man, I want something like a veggie with my burger, but at the same time I was like, I don't feel like eating a salad. Then I went, wait a minute, I can make a pickle. Something simple, easy, super crispy. I mean, these pickles are sweet, yet a little bit of spice in those from the red pepper flakes. So I'm pretty sure your family will love them. You can even chop them up and make them into a relish. You'll see. So we're gonna get started right now, and I have all the ingredients out right now. If you want the ingredients, we'll put a link below so that you can click and go right over to Faithful Keto Kitchen and get that. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let's get started. So you'll need like 3 cups of pickles. Oh, sorry, no, not pickles, hello. 3 cups of cucumber. That's gonna be converted into a pickle. So you need 3 cups of cucumbers, 2 cloves of garlic. You'll need some dill, red pepper flakes, ground mustard. And if you don't have that, you can possibly use some prepared yellow mustard, but you have to shake the jar really well so it can blend. You'll need a little bit of salt, and you'll need some apple cider vinegar. I like apple cider vinegar. A lot of people, and it has to be the one with the mother in it, which so you'll see it because it'll be a little bit of like murky stuff at the bottom, but it's really good for you, trust me. And a lot of people use apple cider vinegar on keto and apart from keto because it's good for your gut. Some people say it helps them regulate their weight loss as well, but either way, it's supposed to be super good for you. We got some organic, natural intent brand. And I got that at, I think, Smith or Kroger's. So yeah, so we're gonna cut up some cucumbers. First, we'll take our cucumbers, cut them up. Now you can do your cucumber slices as thick as you want. I'll show you what I like. I like mine about that thick, you know. So nice cucumber size. You're gonna put those in a bowl. Get some nice slices in there. So, you know, some people are sweet cucumber lovers. Some people are dill cucumber lovers. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like dill, or do you like sweet, or do you like the cucumber spears, you know, the ones that are thicker, or just thin slices, you know? I used to really love me some pickle. Well, I still do like pickle relish on my hot dogs and hamburgers. But this cucumber right here, or these pickles right here, are actually really tasty because you add a little bit of liquid stevia in it, which I don't have right here, which I have to go grab. But you add a little bit of liquid stevia in there, so it has that tang, that little bit of dill flavor in there with the dill, dry dill. It's just so good, I'm telling you. You gotta try these ones, it's really good. So after you cut up that, I think we got about 3 cups. Let me see. Make sure I'll just finish up this last part. So generally it takes about 2 cucumbers, 2 large sized cucumbers to get at least about 3 cups of the cucumber slices that you need in order to make a pickle. So we have that in there. And so what you're gonna do is take your garlic, and you're gonna crush your garlic. Now if you don't have one of these garlic press, you can just chop it up really fine. So you take your garlic and crush that in there. You grab a fork, get that off of there. All right, take both your garlic cloves, get them crushed. Ooh, if it can fit in here. Okay. So if you guys like pickles, they're great for the summertime especially. I think that's probably why I want to make them right now, because it's summer right now here in Vegas. So I kind of want something tangy. They're good, great as a snack, you know, or you can put them as a side. Okay, so we need, let's see, I'm looking at my recipe. We need 1 teaspoon of dried dill, which is really herbaceous, really good for you as well. You're gonna sprinkle that on the cucumbers. We need 1 teaspoon of our red pepper flakes. Yum. If you don't like the spice, you can always omit that, but it just gives it such a good flavor, so you don't want to really take that out. It just helps. But if you don't like spicy, you can take out the spicy. That's all good. And then we need a teaspoon of salt. So you can use 2 to 4 teaspoons of salt. I just like a teaspoon of salt. All depends on how salty you like it. But I just like a little bit of salt in there. Let's get our salt. Sprinkle that in there, and we're gonna toss this all up. I probably should have got a bigger bowl to toss it all up, but oh well, we'll work with it. And we need our ground mustard. So the ground mustard, you can find it at any store, but like I said, if you don't have this, you can omit it. It's fine. It just gives it this little extra backdrop of flavor, which you'll go, somebody say, oh, what is that flavor? It's so good, but I can't pinpoint it. That's the ground mustard, all right? So guys, we're gonna toss that up and get all of the cucumbers saturated with the fresh herbs and all that garlic in there. That garlic in there gives it like a little slight pungent, but just this flavorful boost. I'm telling you, all these flavors meld together and taste so good. Okay, so once you mix all that up, get them nice and coated evenly. You're gonna need 2 mason jars, okay, to put your pickles in. Oh, sorry, your cucumbers. I'm so excited, I want them to be pickles already. So let's get that all coated. There you go. Yeah. Next time, Rosemary, use a bigger bowl. You guys use a bigger bowl than I use. All right, guys, so that's all coated. So once you do that, you're going to take your mason jars. So I mean, you can use any size mason jar. I like the 2 little mini ones. So, and this is cute too because you can actually use these jars, put a little ribbon around them and give them as gifts. So that's kind of a cute little gift, you know, that people wouldn't expect. So they're like, wow, that's nice, you know, especially the pickle lovers out there. So we're gonna fill them up. So you're gonna take your pickles, or sorry, your cucumbers, and fill up the jars as tight as you can, because you're gonna pour some of your liquid in there, and I'll show you how to do that. Get them all filled up. If you're gonna do it as a gift, right, you wanna make sure you get it on the side so it looks really cool and pretty. See, you want it to be like appealing. So let's stick all these in here. So I love me some pickles. I know one time I took these and you can take them too and chop them up really, really fine once they're already turned into a pickle. Once they're get all the flavoring in there from the apple cider vinegar and from the hot water that we're going to pour in here. Once it gets totally saturated, yeah, get it in there tight. It's going to be really good. So pretty much think about 3 cups separately, so about a 1.5 cup in each one. And make sure you get all the rest of that garlic and red pepper flakes in there. There you go. All right, so the next step we're going to do, let me get a towel. Grab that. And you know what? Let me go get that liquid stevia. I forgot. Hold on. And let's see. So we use the plain liquid stevia, which is really good. So what you're gonna do next is take yourself 1 cup of the apple cider vinegar and make sure you shake it because you want to make sure you get the mother, the good stuff all mixed up. And you're gonna use 1 cup of hot water. So you want to make sure it's hot because when you use the hot water, it's going to absorb into the cucumbers faster, okay? So let's get ourselves that 1 cup. This is going to be really good. Get all the health benefits just by eating the pickle. So that's why I like to use, I mean, mind you, you can use regular vinegar, but I just love using the apple cider vinegar because you can get, like I said, the health benefits just by having a pickle. So definitely try to use that. Then you're going to use 10 to 15 drops of liquid stevia. 1, 2, 3. And it all depends how sweet you want it. Let me count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that was 12. So I'm going to use about 12. And then stir it up. Get it nice and stirred. Then we're going to pour it right into the jars evenly. So you got probably like 1 cup of liquid in each jar. These are going to be tasty. So when you make these pickles, guys, you have to let them, it takes a little time, like maybe a day or so. If you're patient, wait for a couple days so that the ligament can absorb inside the cucumber, making them super tangy and super delicious. Put your lids on. You can find these mason jars anywhere. I got mine at Walmart. You can just find it at Walmart or wherever they sell like little jars and stuff. Get that on nice and tight. Ooh, so juicy. Get that on really tight, guys. So what you're gonna do is take these pickles. Look how pretty that looks. You're gonna take the jars, put them in the refrigerator, let them sit overnight, or if you let them sit longer, like I said, it'll taste much better because all that nice flavor will absorb in there. And let me show you what it looks like. Here's my pickles in this jar. This is the final result. Let me get a nice one. See how it's all saturated? Look at that. So it kind of turns yellow because of the apple cider vinegar. It's so good. Tangy. It's tangy. You can taste that little garlicky flavor that's coming through. And that spice is right on point. Perfect amount of spice. Perfect. Still has the crunch in it because I made these like 4 days ago. Good crunch. Good flavor, guys. I think you'll like it. And a little bit of sweet backdrop from that stevia. So definitely give these a try, guys. Perfect for the summertime for your hot dogs, or even cut some up and put it on your pickle. You'll enjoy them. So if you like recipes like this, go ahead and like this video. Also subscribe to our channel, guys. Come on. And be a part of the family. And also hit that bell so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a video. So we'll see you later. I'm Rosemarie, and see you next time on Faithful Keto Kitchen. Bye, guys. Have a good day.